Hello and welcome again to Stocks Advisor channel. So this is the last episode for today, and we will be talking about ManTech Incorporated Corporation, traded at Nasdaq, ticker name MANT, and this is a company with a decent 3.5 billion market capitalization. What is interesting for this one, that it was long term following so-called 20-50-200 pattern. So this is the situation when moving averages 20, 50 and 200 are aligned like this, and until this is the case, you are okay for mid and long term sitting in the stock. And this was indeed happening from December towards, so let's write those here, from December towards actually let's say end of January, mid of January, and then the price started to decline. So, and we can see now that it's almost exponentially nicely declining and sitting at the, let's say, moving average 50, the blue line here. By the way, we have three moving averages here as always depicted. These are moving averages 20, 50 and 200. Here on the left you see their legends being green, blue and red lines correspondingly. So what's happening once, if it's the stock so-called 20, 50, 200, until this is the case, even now it's still the case actually. If you're a long and mid-term trader, you're okay to sit inside. And once this is breaking, then you need to reconsider or re-enter to do something with your portfolio. So to do portfolio management. But if you are a daily trader or short-term trader, you just need to catch a right wave, and that's what we're talking about. So what do we see at the moment after being very long period in very overbought zone? RSI wise, of course, the stock need to rest a little bit, and people were taking profits and exiting. You see actually the volume was really volatile in here, but now we have this very big spike of the volume today, meaning that a lot of people are buying in, and the price action is almost no action. It's like a doji with some upwards downward shadow and no body. So means very momentum bullish stock, so could spike immediately tomorrow. And of course the first target is just vicinity of moving average 20, and to be more precise is this level, which is about, let's say, 92.30. So this would be the very first moment for the stock, and actually we should draw it darker color because this would be the very first resist level here, and let's write it R1. So from this one we could see further repulse downwards, because actually still if the price will decide to go lower, if the moving average 220 will decide to make let's say magic cross down, we might still see this effect, or it can bend in the vicinity of moving average 50 and then grow higher, but still it's too early to say because the price still did not decide itself. So we could either have a spike of the price until R1 and then go down for further lower levels. So we will discuss how to trade them, or we could go higher and actually to kind of make a U shape here. And then of course you can take your profits. And as always at our channel and our strategy, the profit taking we advise up to 10 to 15%, and actually 10% is our lower level where we usually take the profit, and we consider our analysis to be consistent and correct if it allows to make 10%. So everything beyond is not, it's beyond our analysis and our strategy way of trading. So don't be too greedy, take in time your profit if needed, re-enter if needed, but there are always many videos at our channel posted, discussed. Even older ones up to 5 weeks are still fresh because the situation there is just developing, so you can be in time to enter and take your profit there as well. So be consistently trading positively rather than trying to become rich from one trade. That's what we would like to advise. And with this being said, let's think how to play here. So of course it's immediate buy already at the current level of 88.81. So you can already start entering here, and to be more precise, actually you could, let's draw it in dark, you could do it between these two support levels, which is actually channel of 90, which is more like a volatility, and then a support level of 88. So this would be, not 88, 86. So this would be, to be more precise, the entry opportunity here. So let's write it 86, so it's a 5%, almost 5% channel to 90 is the entry here. And then So you can first buy, and should we immediately, let's say, rebounce, you can actually go and wait to take the profit. And these are the levels, support levels S1, S2. Should we decline further, because we could still pierce moving average 20, the blue line, which is usually technically possible but more rare situation, of course, then the supports, will become even stronger in this case, and the next level of supports of 82 and actually 80 will become extremely strong. And of course, then the levels, in this case S3, S4 would be advised as another average down, and then definitely should, if it's purely technical situation, they should definitely lead to another rebound. So let's write it here. These would be then 80 and 82, the level to enter. But what could happen, some negative news can kick in, and that's what we call at our channel mixed analysis. So we try to do technical analysis, average down based on technical levels, but also possible mitigation of negative catalyst if it comes in, and therefore we need to think of this last support level to be really on the very historically developed, very strong channel based levels, and these are of course also including moving average 200 inside as an additional support. So it will be between 37 and 74 and 76. So being S5 and S6. Why this is very strong one? Because also moving average 200, the red line is inside, so it will behave as a double support. And also the levels S1, S5 and S6 themselves are historically very strong. You see them reconfirming and being actually tops of the waves in August action and in July's action, June action. So quite nice level to expect rebounds, even if some negative catalyst comes in. So with this being said, if you write those, it would be 74, 76 to enter here. Let's write it. And then we should rebound. Again, reminding you, once we rebound, we are speaking of, at our channel, advising taking profit of 10 to 15%, and the lower you go, the closer to the lower part, so closer to 10%, and we consider it as a positive advice if it hits 10%, let's say, mark. So this is it for MANT. Again, still we expect to be very bullish stock here, so it's advised to 1-2 strategy, more aggressive. Let's say, what does it mean? It means that the funds you would like to play here, you can split in 5, then you can buy with 1 portion, average down first time with 2 portions, and last time with 2 portions, so buy in the last circle with 2 portions again. And then it should be the best optimization of profit versus loss actually, and give you a good profit. Of other parameters still which are more bullish, it's RSI, it's at the lower part of middle, so it still might go lower, of course, repeating the situation that going over sold like we saw by end of October. This would mean we go lower to the levels S3, S4, and then rebounds, or could rebounds immediately as well. This would mean that we actually use moving average 50 here as a very strong support. Of other indicators, we see very bullish negative wave of MACD did bottom, and now like trying to make a shoulder and go up. If it will be a shoulder and go up, then we immediately rebound from moving average 50. If we do another negative wave and only then go up, this would mean we might still go to the levels S3, S4. But anyway, we are well prepared if you follow this strategy of average down and trading. So good luck with MANT. And a very nice robust stock actually. Let's stay connected. Also, if you didn't do so already, please subscribe and press the bell button for our channel, and you can find us also at other social medias like Facebook, Instagram. Also, you can check our free mobile application for Android devices called Stocks Advisor. Please check the link into this video. So with this mobile application, you can always see latest 14 videos uploaded to our channel without really need to go to YouTube manually and check if there is new update. So let's stay connected. Let's not miss new videos. Let's make profit together, and see you at another episodes of Stocks Advisor channel.